Are you ready to steep your way to better health? Today, we're diving into a world where flavor meets function, and every sip brings you closer to vibrant well-being. We're talking about your kidneys, those unsung heroes tirelessly working behind the scenes of your body's daily drama. They're your personal detox squad, silently sifting through the river of life that flows through you. But even heroes need a helping hand, and that's where we come in with a kettle full of nature's finest, herbal teas. Before we spill the tea on these herbal wonders, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-transforming content. Your journey to wellness is just a click away. Ginger tea, a beverage revered for its spicy kick and aromatic allure, stands at the forefront of our herbal tea journey. This tea is not just a delight for the senses, but a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. The kidneys, vital organs responsible for filtering waste and maintaining fluid balance, can greatly benefit from the regular consumption of ginger tea. The primary health benefit of ginger tea lies in its rich antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a crucial role in enhancing renal function. They help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing oxidative stress, a common culprit in kidney-related issues. This reduction in oxidative stress aids in the overall functioning and health of the kidneys. At the heart of ginger's medicinal prowess is gingerol, the key bioactive compound. Gingerol is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common response to various health issues, including those affecting the kidneys. By reducing inflammation, ginger tea can help alleviate some of the stress on the kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Moving on to our second herbal tea, nettle leaf tea, we find a beverage steeped in history and health benefits. Nettle leaf tea is renowned for its cleansing properties, making it an excellent choice for supporting the urinary tract and kidneys. The tea is derived from the stinging nettle plant, a herb known for its needle-like hairs. However, once dried and brewed into tea, it becomes a safe and therapeutic drink. Nettle leaf tea is particularly supportive of the urinary tract, helping to cleanse and flush out toxins. This cleansing action is beneficial for the kidneys as it aids in their crucial role of filtering and eliminating waste. In addition to its cleansing properties, nettle leaf tea is also celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. These properties are particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, where inflammation can be a persistent issue. By reducing inflammation, nettle leaf tea can help alleviate some of the discomforts associated with kidney problems. Furthermore, the tea is known for its diuretic properties, meaning it can help the body eliminate excess fluid. This is especially important for individuals with kidney issues, as managing fluid retention is often a key part of their health regimen. Brewing nettle leaf tea is a simple yet rewarding process. To prepare, use 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves per cup of boiling water. Steep the leaves for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the desired strength. The resulting beverage is not just a health tonic for your kidneys, but also a pleasant and invigorating drink. Green tea, a globally cherished beverage, is not just a soothing drink, but a treasure trove of health benefits. Its impact on overall health, particularly on heart disease and cancer risks, is profound. The secret to green tea's health-promoting properties lies in its rich catechin content and minimal processing. Catechins are natural antioxidants that play a significant role in protecting the body against cellular damage and chronic diseases. Green tea is particularly high in a type of catechin called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which is known for its potent health benefits. Research has shown that EGCG can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. It also aids in preventing the formation of blood clots, which are a leading cause of heart attacks and strokes. In terms of cancer prevention, the antioxidants in green tea have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage that can lead to cancer. When it comes to brewing green tea, the process is just as important as the tea itself to maximize its health benefits. To prepare green tea, use water that is just short of boiling, around 80–85 degrees Celsius, as overly hot water can make the tea taste bitter. Steep the tea for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your taste preference. Oversteeping can also lead to a bitter taste and may reduce some of the health benefits. Using loose leaves instead of tea bags can also enhance the quality and health benefits of the tea. Horsetail tea, derived from the horsetail plant, has a long-standing history in herbal medicine. This tea is celebrated not just for its unique flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits, particularly its diuretic properties, antioxidant capacity, and benefits for skin, nail care, and bone health. Historically, horsetail has been used for its medicinal properties since ancient Roman and Greek times. It was traditionally used to treat various ailments, including fluid retention and bladder and kidney stones. Today, horsetail tea is valued for its diuretic properties, which help the body eliminate excess fluid. This is particularly beneficial for kidney and urinary tract health, as it aids in flushing out toxins and reducing swelling. The antioxidant capacity of horsetail tea is another significant aspect of its health benefits. It contains a variety of flavonoids and mineral salts, which are known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and preventing cellular damage. In addition to its internal health benefits, horsetail tea is also beneficial for skin, nail, and bone health. It is a rich source of silica, a mineral known for its role in strengthening bones and improving the health and appearance of skin and nails. Regular consumption of horsetail tea can contribute to stronger bones, healthier skin, and more robust nails. Dandelion tea, often overlooked as a simple garden weed, is in fact a potent herbal tea with numerous health benefits, particularly for kidney health. This tea is known for its diuretic and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for managing fluid retention and supporting overall kidney function. The diuretic properties of dandelion tea are significant in promoting kidney health. Diuretics help the body eliminate excess fluid, primarily water and sodium. This is particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing fluid retention, a common issue in various kidney conditions. By increasing urine production, dandelion tea aids the kidneys in flushing out waste and excess fluid, thus reducing swelling and the burden on these vital organs. In addition to its diuretic effects, dandelion tea is also rich in antioxidants. These compounds are crucial in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and cellular damage. Oxidative stress is a state where there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to tissue damage and various diseases. The antioxidants in dandelion tea help neutralize these free radicals, thereby protecting the kidneys and supporting their function. Preparing dandelion tea is straightforward and can be a delightful addition to your daily routine. To make the tea, use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves per cup of boiling water. Steep the leaves for about 10 minutes. The resulting tea has a pleasantly mild and slightly bitter flavor. You can enhance its taste with honey or lemon, depending on your preference. This simple recipe offers a natural and effective way to support kidney health and manage fluid retention. Chamomile tea, widely recognized for its calming and sleep-inducing qualities, also offers several health benefits that extend beyond just aiding sleep. This tea plays a significant role in kidney health and managing kidney-related issues. Chamomile tea is beneficial for the kidneys due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common response in various kidney diseases and can contribute to the progression of these conditions. The anti-inflammatory compounds in chamomile tea help reduce inflammation, providing relief and support to the kidneys. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic kidney conditions, where managing inflammation is a key aspect of treatment. Moreover, chamomile tea is known for its soothing effects, not just on the mind and body, but also on the urinary tract. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals with urinary tract issues, a common concern in kidney health. The soothing properties of chamomile tea can help alleviate discomfort and promote overall urinary tract health. In addition to its kidney benefits, chamomile tea is also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants further contribute to its health benefits, protecting the body from oxidative stress and supporting overall well-being. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the aromatic lanes of herbal bliss, each cup brimming with benefits for your hard-working kidneys. We've sipped our way through ginger's spicy avenues, wandered in the lush green fields of nettle and dandelion, and ended our journey under the calming shade of chamomile. These 6 herbal teas aren't just beverages. They're your allies in the quest for better kidney health, each with its unique melody of flavors and health benefits. If you've enjoyed this journey through the world of herbal teas, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more healthful insights. Your next cup of herbal tea could be the start of a new chapter in your health story. Until next time, keep steeping and keep shining.